Got this package in the mail today from Amazon. It's probably the handlebars for my Magna mountain bike project. About to open this bad boy up. Sweet. There they are. Let's hope that they're right. Alright, I'm about to see if these handlebars are going to fit on this bike, but first I got to try to get these handle grips off, so I'm going to use a little bit of WD-40 and this little screwdriver to try to loosen them up. There we go. Alright, I finally got these handle grips off. Now I'm going to find an Allen head tool to pull these hand brakes off. They're scattered everywhere. Here we go. Alright, I got both the brake levers off. Now I just need to get off the gear selectors. There's one. There's the other. Alright guys, for the moment of truth, we're going to see if these handlebars are going to fit my mountain bike. And they look good. Heck yeah. It's going to be awesome. Alright, now I just got to get all the controls back on the handlebars. Alright, I'm just tightening some of these fasteners down to just kind of get a rough estimate of where everything needs to go. So I just got the handlebars on and I'm about to go test ride it for the first time to see if anything needs to be changed. I think they need to be pulled back a little bit. Oh man guys, it's way more comfortable with these handlebars. Adding the 14-inch seat posts and the 5-inch rise handlebars have made this bike so much more comfortable to ride. I really feel like I could ride it anywhere now. There it is, the Magna with new handlebars, new seat post, all stripped down, cleaned up.